deal with this feeling, shorty, it's so hard. So listen, I'm speaking to my distant lover. Word to mother, we can move undercover, and you'll discover there's nothing like it, none other. Through the rain pours and the thunder, through the long nights alone to the hot days of summer, I'll be there by your side, so don't wonder, baby, what is it? I seen you in the corner of my eye, light skin, long hair, short dress, thick thighs. You wanna come and kick it with a stand-up guy, cause times is the essence, so don't let it fly by. Me and you go together, so let's grow together. We're a good look, shorty, and I know you better. Don't mind them haters on the side, cause they don't know no better. So baby, do you, cause you a go-getter. I reply, that's cool in my mind, that's my lover. In the mind, that too, he's more than just another brother. Significant other, staying with mother. Endless possibilities seeming to make her wonder. When I separate ways for days, but I was on her. Kiss him every day in the days, cause I'm a stoner. Her image in my mind is a phase, soothing like somas. I bet that sweet taste is good, put me to coma. Sent to me, destiny. This girl got the best of me. The rest of me got kept, no choice to keep pushing. Heart feeling like 1,000 needles jammed in a cushion. But I realized what I did in the past didn't pay you any attention. I was living so fast, so worried about my image and what I got in the stash. Loved it, lived here, but now it's tossed in the trash. See gas, time go by, day by day. You by my side, stay my way. I ain't gonna lie, keep me draped, we stay so fly, together forever. Baby girl, you and I, to the end of time. Sounding like a story tale, read straight from a book. No words describe your features, just amaze me to look. Love tastes best like wine, not the time that it took. Made way with your heart like a runaway. I reply, that's cool in my mind, that's my lover. In the mind, that too, he's more than just another brother. Significant, never staying with mother. Endless possibilities seeming to make her wonder. When I separate ways for days, but I was on her. Kiss him every day in the days, cause I'm a stoner. Her image in my mind is a phase, soothing like somas. I bet that sweet taste is good, put me to coma. After the first night, had her open. Mouthpiece game had her soaking wet, and I love it, and she need it. Hunger for lust, trust that I feed it. Normally after the sessions I leave it. Said she had the itch to be scratched, I relieve it. Said she wanna be my only one, do I believe it? Said she need a boss in her life, girl, I bleed it. Love is what I'm missing in my life, but do I need it? We done been through it all, seen our downs and ups. Having no paper routes, splurging the town with bucks. From living grimy in the streets to 22s on the truck. From having no eats in the fridge to daily outings to lunch. I wonder, could this be defeat for me? Taking penitentiary chances, stuffing keys for me. What is it? I mean, what it do? Got my mind tripping, is this what love do? Your body figure, looking so exquisite. Let me come into your world, I just wanna visit. You could be my girl, life fast and don't miss it. The two real words are similar, so don't twist it. Pass first base, curveballs when I pitch it. Had your boy hypnotized at your humps, how you switch it. Had you so gone since the day you slid the digits. I just wanna know, real talk, is you with it? I reply, that's cool in my mind, that's my lover. In the mind, that too, he's more than just another brother. Significant, never staying with mother. Endless possibilities seeming to make her wonder. When I separate ways for days, but I was on her. Kiss him every day in the days, cause I'm a stoner. Her image in my mind is a phase, soothing like somas. I bet that sweet taste is good, put me to coma. 5'5", brown eyes, fixed tip, nice back. Gucci shades matching the skirt, fresh off the price tag. Do what you do when you do when you do it. Said I had you open for the Tuesday, I'm into it. Wanted to walk the park after dark, I'm influenced. Kissing on my neck, should I stop or pursue it? Or should I let her know with my mouth through this music? But I don't really know what she about, so I refuse it.